In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips on how I learned JavaScript in 30 days. So if you are new here, my name is Daniel King and welcome back to my channel. I'm a front-end developer and to be honest, I actually learned JavaScript in 30 days. Well, I'm not an expert in JavaScript, obviously, but I have a very good handful knowledge in JavaScript that I'm okay with it already. So if you are looking to study JavaScript or you are studying JavaScript, it is advisable you listen to my tips so that you would get a bit of an advice on how to start and how to finish JavaScript very early on. So the first tip is knowing the usage. So for me, I knew what I wanted to use JavaScript for. So you have to understand that you cannot just enter JavaScript without knowing what you want to use it for. So there are plenty of things you can use JavaScript for, and a few of them is front-end development, back-end development, gaming, and a lot of things on JavaScript. So you need to understand what you want to use JavaScript for. For me, I knew I wanted to study it for my front end and for my back end. So I knew exactly what I needed to study in order to round it up faster. So I would advise you actually research and know what you want to use JavaScript for, so the journey will be simpler and easier. My second tip is having one main source. So a lot of people do this, I don't even know why, but they have either a Udemy course, a YouTube channel, just a lot of things, books, and just have one main source. I'm not saying you should not have other places for learning, but have a main source. If it's a Udemy course you're studying, stick to that Udemy course, stick to the outline. Then maybe you can research on YouTube or research on MDN Docs or W3 Schools, but have one main source. Do not rely on finishing the crash course on YouTube and finishing your Udemy course and finishing a book, and you are not going to finish in like 2 years. So just have one main source. And for me, I had a main source for JavaScript. I was reading a book for my JavaScript, but I was also using W3 Schools at the side and a little of YouTube. So have one main source. It's going to help you significantly. My third tip on learning JavaScript in just 30 days is coding every day. I think you saw this one coming. You have to code every day if you want to learn JavaScript in 30 days, because you just literally have 30 days. So you need to make sure you code every day. But there's one thing I say about coding every day. You must not code a new thing every day. You can review what you learned yesterday, today, and it helps your brain in a very good way. Just like learning a new language, you have to keep on refreshing your brain on this new language. And with time, you will get very used to it. You will get used to all the concepts, and there are very key concepts you need to know in JavaScript. And it is easier if you code every single day. You code every single day, you study every single day, you review your codes. It makes your life more easier. Fourthly, one thing that helped me learning JavaScript for in just 30 days is I had a lot of exercises I was going to do. So for each topic I learned, I had a series of 6 to 10 exercises that would help me remember or implement those knowledge I had already learned. So it helped me a lot, so I could understand concepts faster by doing all those exercises. And I also did more and more projects. I did projects every 2 days on my JavaScript in order to strengthen myself. So that's how I learned JavaScript in just 30 days, by doing a lot of exercises, more and more exercises on the basic and the most important concept. The final tip will be have an accountability partner. An accountability partner will help you a lot, and I do not mean a friend, because some of us don't have friends as developers. So I mean, if it's Twitter you're using, try posting every single day about your progress. If it's LinkedIn, try posting every single day. If it's Instagram or any social media platform you have, let it serve as an accountability partner to you. And I saw this as a very important thing because it gives you a momentum, it gives you the drive to keep on learning and learning better and learning new things, because putting you out there in the world for other people to see your progress and also get inspired by you. So that's it, guys. Those are my tips on learning JavaScript. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.